Hi. So I just remembered I didn't hit the stream button, the record button. So I just did that now. So hi. I can just read the chat for me. It's like tiny, very tiny. So today I'm going to be making beans, and now the camera's lagging out. So that's what we're doing today, but not just normal beans. No. Beans on toast. Alright, so what you need first is, you can follow the instructions at home, but what you need is beans. You just need beans and bread, which I forgot to get, so I will be right back. So we got the bread, and so what we want to do is we want to put it in the toaster. It doesn't even fit in the toaster, hang on. Yeah, that's about right. And so now we want to wait for that, but while we're doing this, we gotta open the beans. Hang on. Oh. I think the beans are burning. I can't use this toaster. Plug it out. I'll be right back. Oh. So what we need now is to open the beans, and that's the best part because you just have to put it on here. Shut up. Do you want to be the special guest for this episode? No, you don't. So these beans are very old, might I just say? Oh crap. So okay, I got it now, yay! Now we need to wait for the bread. Oh, that's rancid. Bean. Well, technically this is baking. Honestly, I don't know the definition of baking yet, so we'll just put it on the screen later in production. You have to wait for the bread now. Joshua, did I even put the toaster down? I don't know what to mix it with because I don't want to taste tuna again. So we're not using tuna again. Do I need the beans warm or hot? Alright, the thing is ready, so I'll be right back. So we finally, hang on, let's get some ASMR if it actually works. I bet the only ASMR you're hearing is my brother on the keyboard. Puke emoji? Well, I'll send you this baked beans in the mail and then you won't be laughing, Ben. I need a knife and fork, please. Who eats beans with a fork? Alright, time to take a bite. I bet you it's not burned like my mother said. For this, watch. There's like not even any beans on this. It's just ketchup. Is that a dead fly? That's a dead fly. There's a dead fly right there. Hey guys, wanna see what happened to the last guy that ate my cooking? You probably can't, but it's right there. That's what happened. Alright. Here, have beans. I just ate that piece.
This tastes 5 times better than the tuna.
The tuna and spaghetti. Oh man, that was
one. Hang on. Hang on.
That was so delicious. You spilled the beans! Well, I hope you enjoyed this bean baking. I hope you enjoyed this bean making stream. I hope you enjoyed the bean making stream. And if you want to learn how to know more, well, subscribe. This year will be better than last year.
Before you leave, got the cheese.
I'm not gonna put the cheese. Oh, you just came on camera.